Hey there! Let me introduce you to my revolutionary new bit, the Tornado Sniper, an exclusive surfacing bit for achieving excellent finishes on wood derivatives, and plastics. The Tornado Sniper is the upgraded version of the legendary Black Tornado, the original surfacing bit I created in 2018, which many other tool brands have tried to copy over the years. No imitation has ever matched the performance of the Tornado, but despite that, I decided to improve it even further, to set it apart from mediocre alternatives. The new Tornado Sniper is equipped with 3 rounded carbide blades that stay sharp for at least 3 times longer than cheaper options. These rounded blades deliver an even better finish and are sharp on all 4 sides, making them easy to reverse and replace. The bit body is made of high-strength steel and features an exclusive green coating that maximizes corrosion resistance and improves chip evacuation. All of this makes the Tornado Sniper not only the best choice for unmatched finishing quality and chip evacuation, but also a far more economical option compared to the cheap alternatives flooding the market. For those with higher demands, there's also the Tornado Sniper Boss version, featuring coated blades that allow you to work longer on materials like light alloys and resin. And finally, there's the Endurance version, with diamond blades designed for industrial and frequent jobs on materials such as MDF, particle board, and plywood. You can purchase the brand new Tornado Sniper exclusively at FraierTools.com, the home of router bits. As always, if you're not satisfied with the performance, I'll refund your purchase. Act now to take advantage of the special offer, available while supplies last.